Can you tell the difference between these nearly identical images? AI can't. When you look at a photo, you can easily tell what's in it, like a vase of flowers or a cat. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence systems can be fooled by making tiny changes to images that humans would never notice? Researchers recently discovered that by tweaking pixels in an image ever so slightly, they could cause AI models to misclassify what's in the photo completely. We're talking changes to just to pixel levels on a scale of 0 to 255. To you or me, the image looks exactly the same. But to the AI model, it now thinks that photo of a vase is really a truck or the cat is actually a chair. The researchers showed volunteers pairs of the original and slightly edited adversarial images. Even though the differences were imperceptible, the humans consistently identified the image that corresponded to what the AI saw. It seems there are subtle visual cues we pick up on subconsciously, even if we can't explicitly see the difference. The AI is relying on patterns in the data that don't fully match human perception. This phenomenon reveals gaps between human and machine vision that need further research. If AI can be fooled so easily, it's a problem for safety and security. Understanding why humans outperform AI here can lead to more robust computer vision models aligned closer to our own visual system. So while you may not see any difference between two photos, your brain knows more than you think. This tricky task highlights that if we want to build advanced AI, we still have a lot to learn from human intelligence.